Welcome to my channel. Friends, today's video topic is 7 simple steps to make your patio according to 2025 trends. Number 1 is add bold colors in your patio. Instead of completely overhauling your current patio or porch furniture and decor, consider updating textiles such as pillows and throw blankets. This approach allows you to experiment with different colors and patterns in an affordable and low commitment manner, providing a chance to refresh the space creatively. Number 2 is add natural things to your patio. Crafting the patio or porch to seamlessly blend with the home's interior creates a natural extension. Utilize materials like stone, wood, and tile for floor and walls enhances the continuity of aesthetic between indoor and outdoor spaces. Number 3 is add cooking area. Consider incorporating built-in fireplaces, custom pizza ovens, ample counter space, smokers, and various other amenities to elevate the outdoor area and create a luxurious and functional space. Number 4 is comfortable sitting area. Goodbye uncomfortable plastic patio furniture. 2024 welcome the rise of plush outdoor couches, chairs, and sectionals. This increasing popularity is owed to durable performance fabrics specially designed to endure outdoor elements, providing comfort and style. Number 5 is organic material and textures. In 2024, organic textures such as rattan, jute, stone, terracotta, and wood remain at the forefront. Accessories like pillows, throw blankets, outdoor rugs, planters, decorative trays, baskets, and lighting serve as the excellent ways to seamlessly and affordably integrate these natural materials into your decor scheme. Number 6 is brick pavers. Brick pavers have stood the test of time, and in recent years they have experienced a significant resurgence in popularity. Their versatility and customizability are unmatched. Number 7 and last one is enclosed or partially covered porches. Enclosed or partially covered porches are patios that offer the option to close in are increasingly sought after are versatile multi-seasonal spaces. Popular choices include glass panels, screened-in option, or the use of curtains on a roof that can be drawn close. These options not only enhance the space but also provide effective protection against harsh weather conditions. Friends, please like, share, and comment on my video, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.